Fix no sound or volume on iPhones. If you want to fix no sound or volume on your iPhone either, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your phone is not on the silent mode. So you just need to check the side button if it is on silent or not. So simply do it up down once or twice and check if it is on silent or not, and you will be able to see it right here. So if it is on orange, then your phone is on silent mode. So simply turn it off and you will be able to get the volume on it. So if your phone is not on silent, then you just need to simply swipe from the very top right hand side and make sure that your volume is properly increased. And after increasing the volume, you just need to make sure to play a video or play a music or use it inside the app to check if the volume is working properly or not. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to make sure that your Bluetooth is off. So if your Bluetooth is on, then it may be connected to another device and you will not be getting the sound on the iPhone. So by doing all of this step and it is still not helping, then you just need to clean your speakers. So you just need to use a soft dry brush to clean the bottom speakers of your iPhone and you'll be able to get the sound from it. And the last step which you can do to fix this error is that you just need to open settings on your iPhone, and from there click on the option general and click on software update and check if there is any update available for your iOS device. So if there is any update available and you have not updated it, then that may also be the reason that you are not getting the sound on your iPhone. So by doing this, by following all of these steps, you will be able to fix the no sound or volume on the iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.